Hello, babe, what's up?
Good afternoon.
How you been? Please, I would like you to come over tonight. No say code there video.
Okay. But if I'm coming, I'll not drink that Gary.
Hold up, me water.
No worry, this time around, I buy sugar and groundnut. You use that to blend, you understand?
I said I will not drink that Gary.
This was serious. So, what do you like chop when you come now?
Okay, find out that chicken.
Father, are chicken.
Yeah.
You just tell me, say, no one come now. You know what? I know what I will just tell you, and then I recharge can make take call your papa now. Tell her, say, you need fried rice and chicken.
I don't want trouble.
Who do you want 700 naira?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Let me take call your papa now. Tell her, say, you want chop fried rice and chicken. I think I not pay afford that.
It is what it is.
Like you're not serious. What do your head?
You. Join the call.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait, this lady won't make her buy fried rice. Say, I don't chop chicken now, day like this. Me where the get today, make her do fried rice and chicken. For waiting. For free. No way.